Assalamu alaikum. Aksai Narfa, how are you?
Fine.
So, how was your day today?
It was good,
It was
amazing,
good. Lovely,
and
amazing. What was amazing today?
because I am so happy to go Bahrain because I like to swim there. Yeah, because
Oh,
there's big, simple thing with small. I don't small, but I like big.
can you?
But not so deep, not so deep because I cannot breathe. One day our friends with us, then we see our swimming pool and our dad and our friends go to the swimming pool. When I was in the big swimming pool and very deep, when I swim very far away, but not far away, then I was drowning. Then my sister helped me.
So
So I
you
came.
can swim as well. Do you know how to swim?
Yes, wait. I know.
Both of you can swim?
Yes, I.
Oh, lovely. I can't swim. I wish if I could learn it from you. I can't hear you. You're not allowed to speak in Urdu. I can sense that somebody's talking in Urdu.
I heard talking.
Yeah.
Because you don't remember, but I tell her to. Yes, I know. I remember it. But
So you don't remember when she was drowning?
then she helped me when I was 7. Then I can only breathe a little bit. I was drawing and I want to sorry, I want to go up, but there was a rope, so the rope was very sleepy, so I go
Slippery?
down.
It
But
was
I want to
slippery?
but the same room was down. I help her. Then Aksa was so Aksa can swim, so Aksa helped me with bringing me back. So I was little bit when I come up, I say because I was like my neck was like that. So you have to do like this. They went to punch my backside, so something is my
Hello,
Aksa. But I'm
little
not.
cute Amna. Her name is Amna, right?
Yes, my name is
Hello,
Amna.
how are
She
you,
has a
Amna?
mustache here.
I love
No?
your haircut. It's lovely. I loved it. I love your hair, mashallah. They are thick and lovely. Okay, so you
She
were taking help of rope. What happened then?
then the hair helped me. Then my mother see us a very small
Saw.
simple. So my mother
Saw.
and my another friend mother they sit there because there was a chair. Then
You were sitting there.
then I want to also go there, and when
Yes,
I go
okay, went there.
the up ones simple because I want to go there. There's a like to jump to the
Okay.
smartphone phone. I already do it, but my friend, my
Didn't allow you. She didn't allow.
and my friend mother said to their to their sons that you
To
can
her
only
sons.
jump only 2 times, not
To
too
her
much.
sons. To her. Okay, so did you jump from that place?
Yes,
Oh,
it was
lovely.
not. Yeah, then I was joining. I was. It was true. When I was 7 years old, I was 6 years old. Then I want to
Oh,
jump. Then I go
you
down,
wanted to jump?
little bit down. So my head was under the water, but I can breathe
Oh,
a little bit. So I get up and
you could breathe.
breathe some air.
You
No,
could
as
breathe.
a breathe deep, deep breathe. Yeah.
Oh, you could breathe at that time even when you were inside the water. Can you turn the camera a little bit towards Arfa? I can't see her. Oh, that must be a very that must be an interesting moment for you. One of the lifetime moment.
Yeah.
Okay, I love
Because
it.
I have a big sister. Yeah.
So
Another
I'm like
sister.
I'm
Can I drink
desperately waiting.
water? Can I
I'm
drink water?
yeah, sure, please. But come quickly, okay? I can't see Arfa. Can you please turn the camera a little bit towards Arfa? Okay, okay, you are drinking water. Okay, Bismillah.
I'm right
Okay.
here and I'm drinking water right here.
Okay, you're drinking by sitting right there. That's good. Okay, so Arfine Haksa, today I'm going to show you a few pictures and you have to find out the problems in those pictures. There is some kind of like you have to sort out the problem, like what's going on. Can you? Oh no! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me show you the picture once again. Okay, so here is it. Can you elaborate me? What's going on in this picture? What's the issue? What's the problem?
The sofa is catching by a dog. The dog somebody cut the sofa. Yeah.
Okay, so for sofa, you will use the word torn. The couch is torn. How would you say it? Couch. Yeah, this is couch. This is a type of couch. So the couch is torn.
No, I can't see the couch.
This is couch. This is like a type of sofa you can say, or you can instead you can say couch. So the couch is torn. It's torn. Look, it's torn because it has cloth. So for cloth, you say it's torn. What do we say? Repeat with me. Be quick, be quick, be quick. Torn. Read it again. The complete sentence. Complete sentence.
Torn.
Complete entire sentence. You have to read it.
Couch. The couch is torn. It has tear in it.
Yeah, and you also can say it has a deep cut in it. Yeah, but tear is more appropriate. So the couch is torn. Repeat with me. Repeat with me.
The couch is torn.
Torn. It has a tear in it.
It has a tear in it.
In it, yes. Once again. The couch is torn.
The couch is torn.
And go on. What's next?
It has tear in it. No, it has a tear in it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
It has a tear in it.
Tear in it. Perfect. So let's move towards the next one. And here it is. Explain it. What's the problem? What's the problem in this?
The cup is broken. Like this. Like this.
Yes. And what do we call when a cup is broken like this? What do we call it?
It's not too much broken.
Yes. It's not too much broken. That is why we will call it chipped. But what do we call it? Chipped.
Chipped.
The teacup
is broken.
Yes, and this way, whenever a cup is broken in a way that it is not entirely broken, it's not broken too much, but it has a chip. The cup. Okay, repeat with me. Yeah, repeat with me.
I know. Chipped.
Yeah, the entire sentence. Entire sentence. You have to read again.
The teacup is chipped. It has a chip inside it. Yes.
In it. Yes, it is a chip in it. So, have you ever seen chocolate chip? Chocolate chip?
Yes. No.
It's in triangle. Chocolate chip is in triangle form. You haven't seen? Okay, let me show you.
Yeah, I've seen it. Remember, we have a box of triangle. Inside is the triangle chocolate. Remember? Doritos.
Okay, let me show you chocolate chips. I add them on cookies. You would have seen, but you are just unable to recall it. So let me show you the picture. Okay, you will be able to recall the chips.
Chocolate. Not this one.
Yes.
I'm not talking about this. This is a cookie, really?
No. These chips in the bar. These are known as chocolate chips.
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yeah, this is it. Yes, I have it. Yeah. We buy it in Tamimi market. Where? In which day? Coco Pop.
So you bought it
No.
from the mini market. Okay, so once again, read it again.
No.
Once again, I want you to read it once again.
Okay. The teacup is chipped. It has a chip in it.
Lovely, amazing. Okay, so I'm moving towards the next one, and again, I want your attention. So, how would you describe this problem?
Look like a drink fell down and no, this is not a drink. Okay.
It's some sort of drink or juice.
A wine fell down on the carpet. The carpet. I don't know how to say.
Yeah, it might be juice or wine. Any drink. It might be wine. Okay, if you say so. Whatever you consider it.
Smoke.
Okay, so what's happening? Aksa, it's your turn now. What's happening in this picture? What's the problem? What's the issue?
The problem is that the wine. Or I will tell.
It's Aksa. Alpha has already told, so it's Aksa's turn now. Yes, Aksa, identify the issue.
The right side are plate and a fork. Some juice fell down.
Okay,
table carpet.
So it's for the table carpet. It's not table carpet. It's tablecloth. What do we call it?
Tablecloth. We have also.
Oh, lovely.
The tablecloth is
stain. It's stain. It has a stain on it.
It has stain on it.
Stain means some mark. It has left a mark. Isn't there a mark? Okay, there is a mark.
Yeah.
So the table,
there's a drink that dropped in.
Yes. So whenever a drink fell on a tablecloth or even on your dress, it leaves a mark.
Like a paint go down a carpet, and you want to erase it. It cannot erase.
Yes. And so what do we call it? We call it tablecloth, and that type of mark is known as stain. What do we call it? Stain. Repeat with me once again, quickly.
She's eating her skin. No, okay. Really, my eyes are hurting.
Her eye is hurting. There's something. Okay. So can you repeat it?
The tablecloth is stained. It has a stain on it.
Okay, I want you, both of you, to read together and read it twice. 2 more times. Quickly.
The tablecloth is stained. It has a stain on it.
Perfect. One more time.
The tablecloth is stained. It has a stain on it.
Perfect. Yeah, you have to copy. I am also copying you. So, okay, let's move toward the next problem. Now you have to identify the problem.
It's broken?
It has some scratches.
Okay. The table is scratched by maybe a ball, maybe a cat. It looks like a plastic wrapper. No, plastic. Yeah. I think so it is. Yes. No, it didn't scratch. You can see here. Look at here. You can see here some. No, I will tell. Can I tell?
No, both of you can. Both of you can tell. Wait. You don't have to quarrel. You are going to lose marks. Okay. So yeah, it also has some scratches on it. Okay. Yes, Arfa, go on.
This one and this one. This one.
It has a lot of scratches. Okay, Arfa. I can't see Arfa. I can't see
Arfa?
her. Can you turn the camera towards her?
Stop.
Can you turn the camera towards her, please? A little bit towards her.
Because she is not because she is disturbing me. No, I'm not disturbing her. Move with it right now. What's this? God.
Okay,
I will tell you.
so let me tell you. The glass table is scratched. It has a few scratches on it.
You can see here it is some like a rope like that.
Yes, it has plastic on it. This is plastic. They have
Yes,
covered it with plastic.
I tell it first. It has
Both of you were absolutely right. Both of you were absolutely right. So how do we call it? The glass table is scratched. It has a few scratches on it. Repeat with me quickly.
The glass table is
Scratched.
It has a few scratches on it.
Okay, yes, Aksa, you were saying. Okay, yes, Aksa.
The glass table is scratched. It has few scratches on it.
Perfect, lovely. Okay, so I'm moving towards the next one, and you have to again identify the problem, the issue.
The car has broken.
Okay, one by one. This time Aksa will tell first. Aksa, it's your turn.
No, because I have.
Okay, no problem. Both of you will get a chance. The next one, Arfa will go first. Okay, so yes, Aksa, what's the issue? What's the matter?
Somebody's car. Somebody was driving on the car. The driver was sleeping. He don't know how to drive.
Okay, he was a sleepy driver. Okay, yeah.
He was a sleepy driver. He turned in right, and the right car and the two cars were there on the right and the left. The left car was blue.
Okay.
And a sleepy driver was sleeping. He didn't mind, and he was with his phone.
He didn't notice. He was not active. He was on his call as well. Okay, go on. Perfect.
He turned the car on the right side, and the right car, the right car's driver.
All of a sudden, he took a right turn. And the moment he took the right turn, what happened then?
He took a right turn, and the right car driver, the driver was shocked because his car was broken, and the left car was broken it too. This is the left car which you are showing.
Okay, so driver took all of an instance, he took the right turn. He took a right turn, and he took a right turn and hit the other car. And the car. Okay. So Arfa, you have to explain now. What happened to this car? What's the matter? Yes, Arfa, I can't see her.
She's here.
Yes,
she's
Arfa.
here. Playing with the eraser.
Can you explain in words? What's the issue? What's the problem with? But her answer is not right. So I'm giving you a chance to give me the right answer.
Okay, the answer is wrong.
Yes. So it's your turn now.
You know why? Because there's a hole in it. Oh. How if the car match each other, the all car will be upside down. Are you kidding me? No. And it will be black like that.
Okay, the way you say, are you kidding me? That's amazing, wonderful. Okay, so my little princess, it's a dent. Okay, so she was somehow right. We get dent. So when we get, how we get the dent in the car, we get it by hitting some other car or some rock or some mountain. Sometimes we never know. So the car is dented.
Yeah, sometimes it hit like a big rock. Yes, my father. Oh yeah. I remember one day. We were driving with our dad was driving. Then suddenly another car come and little bit crashed to my dad window, outside window, that we can see the cars back. So the man
front window, front side window.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first when you try in the window.
Okay.
Then our father came out and said something, but I don't know what he was saying. I didn't know what he was saying about. So my father come to our car and drive away.
Okay,
but
so your father.
It hit a little bit, and it also crashed. Little bit, not too much.
Okay, so whenever we talk about a glass, we can say it was crashed. But whenever we talk about car, so car is dented. What do we call it? Dented. So the car is dented. It has a few dents on it. Repeat with me. Repeat with me.
The car is dented.
It has a few dents on it. Repeat with me quickly. Be quick. Both of you.
बंद कर देख इसने अभी फ्रेंच की क्लास में भी ऐसे किया था फ्रेंच में टीचर पढ़ा रही थी और राइटिंग कर रही थी
okay
तुम लोगों को याद आता है
the car is dented. It has a few dents.
The car is dented. It has a few dents on it.
Dents on it. Perfect. Okay, so let's move toward the next one, and again I need your attention. You have to figure out the problem. Okay, what's the problem with this picture?
What's this?
You have to figure out.
I don't know what is this. You think it's an earth?
Yeah, it can be.
It is a road.
Yeah, it can be.
It is a road.
Yeah, it can be a road.
Okay. I want that of this. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Wait. Feel the bed. You know? Yes. My mom.
Yes.
We don't know how.
Okay, so there is a crack. So even if you call it a road, there is a crack in the road. Even if it is a wall, so the wall is cracked. It has a few cracks in it. Okay. So
yes, my mom, when it was another day, I don't know which day, my mom told me the story of it was on the book, old book.
So she told you a story. What was that?
It was the crack, mean elephant and the mouse.
Okay, so what was the matter of cracking?
It was morning. It is a wall. It is a wall. It is a wall.
Yes.
You are not correct. It is a wall, not a floor. Because
it's okay. Whatever you consider it, it doesn't matter. The matter is that how will we explain this problem? So whenever there is a crack in the road or on in the wall, we will call it a crack. Right? Crack. The wall is cracked.
My mother tell it when I was
told you
another day.
Okay, so your mother told you about crack.
Sometimes you're really correct that like a wall and the floor is the same color like that, yeah? Yes, it look like gray. Yeah, and sometimes the floor will be the same color like that because I can think this is the floor road because it is gray and it has small dots.
So you were unable to recognize it because it's some type of old wall.
Yeah, if we have, because if we don't have this if we don't have this color, we can will be safe. If we don't have no, if we have this wall, we will not fall down. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
You know,
it happens
one day
sometimes. It
one
happens
day
some. Yeah, go on.
you know, one day I see a video that I see a Minecraft
Saw a
like
video. Saw a
Minecraft.
video. Okay, you saw a video. What was there?
It was like there was a Minecraft a boy, and he was upside down, and he was building a house, upside down house.
Oh, he
This is
was
not about cracked. What you're telling about is
Okay, let's forget it. Okay, so repeat with me once. The wall is cracked. It has a few cracks in it. Repeat with me quickly.
the wall is cracked. It had few cracks in it.
Perfect. Okay, so now I'm moving towards the next picture.
Laptop.
Yes. So what's the problem with this laptop?
The problem is the laptop was where the laptop lived. The laptop was blast. Yeah, burned. No. Oh yes, it is correct. It was blast. Yeah, burned. Okay. This computer was a bomb. A bomb. Like, yes, blast.
It is damaged. The laptop is damaged.
A very small dot, like a circle. If in the laptop is damaged. Yeah, if there are a very small circle inside, but it is a gray circle, don't throw it away. If you throw it away, sometimes it will be blast. It is a blast.
So I got it. Like like sometimes, because whenever the battery heats up, so it may burn. The screen may burn.
Yeah.
But how did you? Yeah, but in simple words. Yeah, but in simple words.
Okay.
Okay, but in simple words, we call it damaged. The laptop is actually damaged, or the phone is damaged. So whenever it is,
damage inside, why outside? If the like a small circle is outside, inside, if the bomb is inside the computer, all the computer will be blast, and the something like a man saying about that. So they will be blast too a little bit, not too much, and.
Yes.
And if the bomb is outside,
okay, yes, no, it's like whenever we put a laptop on charge, and the battery gets heat up.
Why the laptop is damaged? It will damage inside. Why outside?
Okay, let me tell you how. Okay, let me give the answer to Aksa first, then Arfa can proceed. Okay, so Aksa, your answer is it's valid, it's amazing. So let me give you the answer. Your question is really valid. Okay, so whenever we put a laptop on charge and the battery gets heat up, so there is a chance of getting it burnt. So this laptop basically in this picture is burnt out because of the electric shock that it has received. It got an electric shock.
Choose all day the charger, it will be having very
adverse effects. Yes, that is why it is very necessary. The moment your laptop or mobile phone gets charged fully, you have to plug it out.
Then if we don't use the charger, please don't use very long time. You can only use sometimes, because I know that the city will be coming together and like a circle and all along.
I think that is blast.
Then if you want to charge your computer, the computer will be blast. As a burn.
Will get damaged. The computer
Yeah,
will get
I know what.
damaged.
I know. If we put the laptop or tablet in, if we plug the charger
Yes.
laptop or tablet,
Yes.
full time the laptop will blast
For
the
a longer
tablet.
period of time. Yes. If you plug in for a longer period of time, there's a chance of getting an electric shock. So okay, so let's move toward the next picture, and you have to identify the issue. You have to identify the problem.
Teacher,
What's the
I
problem?
can see dreams time.
Okay, but no, you do not have to read the text. But what's happening in this picture? You have to identify the issue. You have to identify the problem. Arfa, you also have to look at the screen. You have to identify the problem.
Okay, that's the word paint is now like somebody crash. Like yes, I know. In my father's room. Yeah, and in my father's room there's a wall, and our small sister always scratching like this.
Yes, so for a paint, when a paint is scratched, we call it the wall paint is peeling off. The
No,
wall
when we
peeling.
take the paper wall, it's like a paper.
Yes, but it's peeling, P-E-E-L-I-N-G, peeling. The wall
The wall
paint
is
peeling.
If the paint is dry, because it is like a paper.
Yes, and so it's peeling. It's peeling off. Repeat with me. The wall paint is peeling.
The wall paint is peeling. Oh wait, about tomato. Like when our mom cook tomato and boil it, then the tomato skin come out.
Yes, and so we usually peel potato, and we also peel some vegetables and fruits. But whenever the paint of the wall comes out, we also call it peeling. Like the wall paint is peeling.
We cannot peel like when to peel like with our hands. We cannot peel. We can only boil it then peel it.
Yes, you can
It
peel
is
it
so
off.
hard. It's so hard to peel. We can only like orange peel.
Yeah, the way you peel orange. Similarly, whenever the paint of the wall is coming out, or it's just dropping away, so we call it peeling. The wall paint is peeling. Repeat with me once. Yeah. The wall paint is peeling. Perfect. Okay. So let's move toward the next one and tell me what's the problem with this picture.
Sink water, one drop of water. Okay, the sink water is dropping one by one.
So what's the matter? What's the issue basically? You have to identify some problem.
The sink. Okay, the sink problem is like.
Both of you.
When I tell, I start to tell.
It's okay. I'm listening to both of you. Even if both of you are talking, I can identify. Yeah.
The sink has a one drop of water. It is falling down.
Okay, it's falling down. Okay, the sink water is falling down. Okay, what about Arfa? Arfa, what's happening? You have to figure out some problem. What's the problem? What's the matter?
Black shadow.
Okay.
The black sink is dropping one by one.
But I can't see the sink. I can't see sink in this picture. There is no sink. I can't see sink.
I think tap water.
Yes. This is tap.
It is tap water, but it is dripping one by one.
It's dripping.
And the problem is somebody didn't close Then close the tap.
Okay, listen to me now. Okay, listen to me now. The tap is leaking. It has a leak in it. That is why the water is dripping down. So the tap is leaking. Repeat with me.
The tap is leaking. It has a leaking.
It has a leak. It has a leak. The
It
tap
has a
is
leak.
leaking. Yes, the tap is leaking. It has a leak. So you have to repeat with me, okay? Okay, perfect. So now I am going to start it again, and you have to tell me once again. Okay, so let's recall. Let's recall what happened in the first picture. Okay, so tell me quickly. You have to give me a quick recap. Give me a quick recap. Yes. Be quick.
Cloth sofa.
Okay.
Peel.
wait. No, the sofa is the couch is torn. The couch is torn.
The couch is torn.
Okay, what about this one? Quick one. Quickly. Yes, quickly. Next
The
one.
teapot
Is chipped. The teacup is chipped.
The teacup is chipped.
Chipped. Okay. Next one.
It's leaking. Yeah.
Be quick. Next. The tablecloth is
Spelled.
stained. Okay, this one. Quick, be quick.
The table is crashed.
The glass table is crashed. Perfect. Next one. The car is
Crashed by car. Red.
no. The car
Crashed
is
by
no.
car.
No.
The
Try to
car
recall. Yes.
is crashed
No.
by
The car is dented.
dented by a car.
Yes. The
इसको अंदर चला गया वो हल्का सा अंदर चला गया ना
dented. Yes.
Dented.
The car is dented.
Hole counted inside you can see here there's some like a hole.
Yeah, it's got a dent. Like the surface has gone inside. So that is why we call it dent. Okay. So next one. Give me a quick overview. Okay. So give me a quick recap. The wall is yes.
Is the wall. Okay. The wall is
Yes. Now
No.
this one.
the peel one is still scratched.
Now
Broken. No.
now
Broken now this.
the wall is cracked. The wall is cracked. There's a crack in it. Okay, next one. The laptop is
The laptop is damaged.
perfect. The wall paint is
The peel.
it's
Yeah.
peeling. It's peeling off. It's peeling. Okay, the tap is leaking. Perfect. Once again. Okay, this one. The couch is
The couch is torn.
Torn.
And it is
torn.
torn. It has a
Tear in it.
tear in it.
Okay, perfect. Okay, next one. Be quick.
teacup is broken.
Chipped. Chipped. I showed you a chocolate chip cookie. So you have to remember, like chocolate chip cookie is always like chocolate chip inside the cookie is always in a triangle shape. So whenever a cup gets broken in a shape of triangle, so we call it the teacup is chipped because it's not fully broken. A very little, yeah. So if in case if a very little part, a tiny part of this cup gets broken, so we will call it a teacup is chipped. Okay. Okay. So next one, be quick. Be quick.
The cloth.
Tablecloth.
The tablecloth is spilled.
Stained.
Stained.
The tablecloth is stained. 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 The tablecloth is stained. Okay. Next one, be quick.
Scratch.
The entire sentence. What would be the entire sentence?
The table is cracked.
Glass table is scratched. Perfect. Next one. Be quick.
The read.
The entire sentence.
Dented.
Perfect. Okay. So what would be the sentence? What the entire sentence would be?
Dented.
Entire sentence. Complete sentence. Tell me the complete. No. Tell me the complete sentence.
The car is dented.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Next one.
Dented by another car.
Yes. The next one.
The teacher. I think the wall cracked. The wall is cracked.
Perfect. This one.
The laptop is damaged.
Okay, perfect. So now I am going to show you a video and you have to pay attention. You have to carefully watch it. Okay. So let me start this video. Okay. So this one now today it's going to be somewhat tricky. So you have to carefully. Hey, which one is this? I haven't.
This is about a boy who painted his face to Coco. It is Coco. Yeah, Coco.
Oh, Coco. So what happened? So what actually happened to him? Why is he looking like a zombie?
No, it is not. It is skeleton. No, he painted his face. Yes, I know. You can see his neck. Yes, I know already. We see it very many times. I love this cartoon. I don't love it.
So why he looks like a zombie?
Because he painted. It's not a zombie. It is a skeleton.
It's
Zombie
skeleton,
because zombies are not sad. They just hunt people.
Yeah, they hunt people.
And he has a skeleton, but he is not a real skeleton. He painted his face.
Okay.
Yes.
He doesn't hunt people?
No, he wants to find. Because it's a party.
Oh. Okay, so let me play the video now. It means you already like it.
A man zombie, just find him because he is a bad man. I can't see it. The boy.
So you have to put it in correct order, okay? The boy.
Dog.
Okay.
No, dog, not that.
Okay, not dog.
The boy. Not the boy. No. The boy is scared.
The boy is scared.
No. The boy Because the boy was scared. The boy was scared.
Okay, let's give it a try once again. Okay, the boy was scared.
Because
Okay.
his dog. No, again, the boy is scared because his dog was barking.
Wow, wonderful. Let's check it out if it's correct or not. The boy is scared because his dog was barking. Let's check. Okay, so Alpha, are you getting it? Are you getting the sequence?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a
Yeah,
try.
it is correct. It is
Let's
correct.
Wow, bingo! That's an amazing try. You know, that was a tricky one. That was really tricky. Okay, perfect. Let's.
The boy. No. Yeah.
Other than you.
This. I know.
No music. No music.
What is the correct word? You have to fill the correct word into the blank. So read the entire sentence and come with the correct word.
His grandmother dash. Not the question. What is the incorrect word on the gaps?
Yes,
His
Tanmay.
grandmother dash
Scolding him. His grandmother scolding him.
His grandmother dash scolding him. The boy was. His grandmother was holding him. Was.
But you have to read the entire sentence first.
Okay. His grandmother was holding him. The boy always loved the music.
So, do you think it's correct, or do we need to change the word scolding into scolded? What do you think? What's the correct one? Okay, let's give it a try and check if it's correct or not. Oh. So okay, read it again. Read the correct one. Read the correct one.
Grandmother was is
No, correct one. Correct one.
His grandmother is holding
Scolding.
him. Was
Scolding him. Scolding means
his grandmother is scolding him. The boy always.
When your mom, when your mom
always love the music.
So tell me, what is scolding? What is scolding?
His grandmother kick out the man. He didn't kick it.
It means
Grandmother just scared the man and the boy loved the song.
Okay, scolding means whenever a person shouts angrily, like he gets angered, enraged when he shouts like, "Oh, why you did so? Go back to your room." Like whenever a person shouts another person, in an angry tone, it is not scolding. Like in case, but for example, I say, "Oh, Alpha, you are not supposed to go over in there, here and there. You have to sit on one place, okay?" So it means I'm scolding you down because my mood is not good and I don't know how to get angry. By the way,
say
dantna. Yes, in Urdu it's dantna. Okay, scolding him.
Yell.
Yelling as well. Yelling is shouting. Yelling is basically shouting.
Yeah.
So so yelling is also a synonym. Synonym means a similar word to scolding. So his grandmother is scolding him. Read the entire sentence, please. Arfa, read the sentence.
His grandmother is scolding him. The boy always loved the music.
Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, so let's continue.
And also, his grandmother take shoes to kick out. I saw a picture.
One day, he left with his
I saw a picture.
and never.
It's a city.
Yeah, you have to place the words in order. This is a city of lights.
This is, I will tell you.
Which one? Okay,
This.
Arfa will tell me. Arfa, which word do I need to put on in the first place? Let Arfa identify the
His.
first word. Okay, perfect.
His.
Okay, perfect. Then the second one. Did you watch the video carefully?
No.
So when you will watch the video, it would be easy for you to identify the words. Okay, his grandfather. No, you have to speak Aksa. You can't
His
just mark it. Yes.
Is living
Is living
home
home
with
with
his guitar.
his
Guitar.
with his guitar.
Guitar.
Oh, what happened?
Because the
Guitar. Okay, so his father is living home with his guitar. Can you read it again, because I'm feeling like there is some mistake.
His grandfather is living home with his guitar. Guitar.
Git.
Guitar. Guitar.
You है ना silent.
Guitar. The words are guitar. Okay, radio.
Okay, so I'm feeling like there is some problem.
Yes. You're already correct. But we failed only one time. No, I did all. But you are selling
Family
the his.
music is a curse. Great-great-grandfather, none of them understand me. I'm supposed to play music.
I'm supposed to play the
Okay, now Arfa will tell. Aksa, let her identify the word, and after once Arfa will try, then I will give a turn to Aksa. But Aksa, you also have to think about it, okay? So right after Arfa, you have to tell me the correct words. Okay, so
The
Arfa,
boy.
yes,
the boy.
the boy. Okay,
Is not is
okay, not it.
live.
Okay, be quick.
Live.
Play, the boy play.
No. A boy play his. No, I had. Telling there is no a boy. There's no here. There's only another word. The boy. Got you. You're telling. No. This. Which one? No, again. I will tell. Don't erase put the and the boy somewhere else. Put it there and remove the his.
Okay, I have removed it. I have removed it.
Okay. What they doing?
What if I make it this way? The boy play his guitar, but play doesn't like with boy. There must be a word which has S. Like the boy plays. It must be the boy plays. So the boy play his guitar. It's an incorrect sequence. So what comes next? The boy.
The boys. No. I don't know. Can you answer? Okay, like. Okay, no, don't put just. The boy doesn't
Surrender. He doesn't, like, he never quits. He never give up.
What? This is the capital and this is the capital. Yeah, there's only two capitals.
Yeah, there are
Where's the
two.
his?
Yes, that is why you have to think about
The
it.
boy doesn't secure his.
But where would we put this his?
In the I don't know. Play his guitar. Play his guitar.
Guitar. Okay, so what you are saying? The boy.
The boy plays his guitar.
Guitar. Guitar. Guitar.
The boy plays his guitar.
Okay, his guitar. Guitar. Just you have to. Yeah, you is silent. You just have to say guitar. The boy play his guitar.
Maybe guitar. No.
Okay, because time was up. So the boy doesn't surrender was the correct form. So
You are not correct because
Yes.
you didn't put the his.
yes,
You are
and then
not
he is
correct because
deciding play his guitar. Look once again. Look, the boy doesn't surrender. You look in video what was happening. He wasn't giving up. He wasn't giving up. He was deciding to play the guitar over and again, and he wasn't quitting. He wasn't surrendering. He wasn't giving up because he wanted to learn. Did you get it? Did you get it? Okay.
What are you doing, Grandpa? What you doing? Wow. He's just feeling. Oh God. Also,
What is the incorrect word?
he was very scared. Was so scared.
Was or is?
He was very. He was.
Think again.
Was. It is.
So, which one do I need to put? Was or is?
The boy. Okay, was is.
Which one? You have to tell me.
Was
You can go with only one. Was or is?
What is WISAS?
There is no word like WIS. You can only choose was or either is. Which one?
Okay. If there's a eyes, why is there the eyes? He really scared.
Time.
Why is there a eye? He was scared. Yes, he was scared. Let's do it. Yeah. He are scared. He was. No, he was. No, he was really scared. He are very scared.
R is incorrect. R is incorrect. So he was very scared. The boy is thinking it's a dream. So you are exactly right. Your answer is correct.
Really scared.
Yeah.
Really scared.
He was very scared. Was is correct because they are saying which one is the incorrect. So R is incorrect. So your answer is correct. Your answer is exactly correct.
Welcome to the land of
Yeah, no.
Practically not. You gotta stay with me, boy. This isn't a dream then.
Oh my
You're
God!
really
It's a
out there.
flower. It is a fake flower.
The party is going on.
He the left one, this. The mid. He dreamed. He didn't. No. He dreamed.
No, dream, because there is a comma. There is a comma after dream, so you have to put some other words before dream.
Okay.
So he is.
When you put dream, the last one.
He's living in the reality or he's living in the dream? Okay, now I'm giving you a hint. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Tell me what happened in the clip. He was living in the. He was living in the reality or he was in the dream? Dream.
He is in reality or dream. Teacher, he was living doesn't. No. I don't know. I also don't know.
Okay, so
the dream in
he's living the dream, or which one is correct? He is living reality.
No, when in. He is living in his dream. Not reality. Dream and dream. He is living within his dream. In his reality.
Time is getting up.
I will tell. He is living. Oh no.
Okay.
He doesn't dream. He is living in his
living the reality. He doesn't dream. He lives the reality. It means that he lives in the moment. What actually is happening in the video, in this particular scene, he's not dreaming at all. Whatever is happening in reality. So repeat it, please. Repeat the entire sentence.
He doesn't dream. He is living the
reality. So whenever somebody calls me, like, in reality, whenever some people ask me, like, Wajiha, what do you want to do next, or what do you want to become? So I say, like, I want to become an astronaut, or I want to become something. So they say, oh, just like Arfa, oh, are you kidding me? So how do I respond? I say, no, I don't dream. I don't dream. I live in the reality. So this is how you have to use this word, this sentence.
Why you say Arfa and Arfa? You don't understand.
Because Arfa says, oh, are you kidding me? And I love that. When Arfa says, oh, are you kidding me? I love that. Okay, so
really out there. Agents at the Department of Family Reunions are available.
Please be on the lookout for a living body.
There are so many skeletons, but they're real.
Yes, there are so many skeletons.
They are only.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
but they are not real. They are only dreams.
yes, the boy was like, they're saying that the boy was living in reality. Like, these skeletons were appearing in reality. Okay, so this is the last one, and we will continue tomorrow then. But you have to make one more. His. Okay. His.
No. Okay, his.
Yes.
His. Family. It. Just making it young. Okay. His family was looking him. Oh no. Him. Every day they are found it.
It's incorrect. It's incorrect.
They are found it. Okay, his family was looking him every day. They found it. No, his family was looking every day. He was found. Okay, his family was looking. His family was looking. The time is passing.
Time is passing.
Yay!
His family was. So his family was looking him every day.
Yay!
His family was looking. His family was looking him every day.
They are found it. What is that, stupid? They are found it. Him, but they found it. Why they are found it? They are finding his dog. You can write they found it. War. Teacher, do you have some dream like that?
Yeah, I do dream. Okay, so we actually have missed something in this one. So his family was looking him every day. That is the correct one, but they are found it. I'm also not sure that they have put this in correct order or not. So you don't have to consider it. You just have to consider that his family was looking him every day. So in video they were found him. Yeah, that's the correct one. That's the correct.
No, the green one is our and the yellow one
is done by them, and whatever they have done is incorrect. Okay, just kidding. Yeah.
The green line is not correct.
Yes, the last one is incorrect. So you don't have to consider this one. Okay. So his family was looking him every day. That's the correct one, and that's fine. We have to make till this family was looking at him. Okay, so we will continue tomorrow, but once again tomorrow you have to come up with a story. So inshallah tomorrow we will start with the story that
tomorrow is
Tuesday. So on Tuesday you have to come up with the story that you will make on your own. So once again, don't forget to make a story. Okay, so till then, take care. And don't forget to recall those words which you have learned today. Okay, so while going to bed, do give a recap to all those words. Okay, till then, take care.
So when we this this will come. So okay,
take care. Allah Hafiz.